Lot of shit, forgot what happened. I ain't gon' lie, I gotta have it. Swear to God.
Another new boxing, you know what I'm saying? You diggity. What did I just say? I'm not even gonna finish that one because that would sound so dumb. Oh no, tape, get off. Thank you. Yo, this was actually, see, no, last time, I'd had to send some stuff back. Because stuff was a little bit damaged, wasn't that bad, but a little bit damaged. They packaged this one a lot nicer. It's actually a whole different box and everything. So I like that about this one. Thank you to that company that when I can promote, because they're not paying me, I'm done promoting companies that's not paying me. So, oh snap, I can't even get into it. Come on, tape, please. Work with me, tape. Please help me, tape. Help me. Oh my gosh, finally. Get to the little tiny baggie that they come in, and I was out the bag. Whew. It's another, you know what I'm saying, pinky ring, but ring on this finger too, though? I can't. Yo. Oh, snap. No, big diamonds, big boogies make you say a true iced out, no seeing. You know what I'm saying? This one is a solid backing and everything, bruh. Spared no expenses on this one. Ooh, not gonna go on that finger, It can go on this finger or it can go on this finger. It's very loose on this finger, though. Hold on, let me go get my other rings. Hey, so we got all the rings right here. Hold on. We got all the rings right here, you know what I'm saying? We got this one. This one was like 20. Like 20K. This one is 35K. This one's like a few hundo. And this one was I don't know if you say the price on this one. This ring, the new one, is kind of like this, this pendant. See the back of the texture of it? That's how this one kind of is. Kind of like the same texture, only it goes this way. So yeah, I do like they rings, you know what I'm saying? Everything super nice, you dig? And yeah, ooh. You know what I'm saying? Iced out. But yeah, guys, basically, new ring alert. First ring that I got. Pinky ring, you know what I'm saying? White diamonds in all of them, you know what I'm saying? This one shines. These are like super big stones, actually. Like, the size of the stones on this is actually crazy, to be honest. Like, yo, look at this one, right? This one, like, it shines, right? These stones are crazy, though. Like, even compared to this one. This one's, like, more shiny than this one, because this, like, than this one. These are, like, these are, SL1 diamonds, I believe. These are also SL1 diamonds. These are all VS1, VS2. VS2. So yeah, these are crazy. Because this is like a lot of like little diamonds packed together. It's more shinier than this one, which are like a little bit bigger. No spacing in them though. But But yeah, this one be crazy, diamonds dancing. This one's even crazier. This one's pretty crazy. This one is like the most expensive one though, cause like how thick the gold and all that is. There's a lot of gold in this one. This one not so much. This one 35,000 though. This one mostly cause of diamonds. But yeah, this one's crazy, guys. But yeah, oh, I feel like I got boogers in my face. Know what I'm saying? Hey man, guys. I think I'm just gonna end this video right here. New chain. You guys see the new chains? Know what I'm saying? See all this? Know what I'm saying? We having probably more jewelry unboxings later on. I don't know what time. I can have a full hand. I can have a full hand. I want to tap on something. But yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.
Sometimes I don't let go. I shine, all the heroes. They smile cause of your hoes. Watch you from the other side. Hey, this is fucking verified. And I'm on your thoughty mind. But I don't want it cause I got a wife. Playing with the pretty through the day and night. Playing with her mind on the beat, oh, I. So they wanna swallow up the meat, oh, I.